Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you guys how I make my black soap. So I make my black soap in different ways, but this is one of the ways I make my black soap. For today's video I am going to start with my herbal water, which consists of my lemongrass, my neem leaf, lavender buds and saffron. Now neem leaves has a lot of healthy benefits for the hair and also for the body. So it has a lot of healing properties as well. And this is my African black soap. As you can see, this is what it looks like in its raw form. There is nothing mixed with this black soap at this point. So this is what it looks like. And then the next ingredient is my rice powder, which is going to act as a gentle exfoliant for my skin. It's going to gently exfoliate your skin. The next one is my tea tree oil. I don't do any soap without tea tree oil. The next one is my retinol oil, alpha arbutin oil, my lactic acid and hyaluronic acid, and my rose water, skin free milk. This is a serum, and also my honey. Now I'm going to list every single ingredient I used in this video in the comment section and also in the description box, because this is not everything I'm using. I've not showed you guys the powders that I'm using yet. So first I'm going to infuse my herbal water, which I am going to wash all these ingredients. I washed my neem leaves and lemongrass previously and I dried them. That's why I'm using them right now without washing again. So pour everything together and mix it with distilled water or hot boiled water and cover it for a few minutes. And when you check back, it is going to look like this. As you can see, everything is infusing into the water. This particular herbal water has a lot of healing properties. If you have any skin reaction, any problem with your skin, it is going to help heal the skin. So I'm going to allow you guys watch this video and talk to you guys whenever I need to. So I had to pound my soap a little bit. You can use your hands, you can use your mortar and pestle to pound your soap a little bit. Now these are the powders I'm using, and I'm going to list everything in this bowl. I have my sulphur, I have my sandalwood powder, I have my licorice powder, I have my rice powder, I have my orange peel powder as well, and the last powder I'm going to add, which is not in this bowl, is my cinnamon powder. Yeah, this is basically everything I have in this container right now, and most times I use more than this. I use some active ingredients in my soap, which I am not using here. Active ingredients like niacinamide and alpha arbutin, mandelic acid and all that, but this is just a basic black soap, so this is the reason why I'm not using most of those active powders in this soap right now. But I'm going to make an advanced black soap recipe later on, and I'm going to post it here for you guys to see. So the last thing I added now was my skin free milk, and this is my cinnamon powder. So you're just going to mix everything together, pound this, or use what I'm using right now to just pound it together and then allow this to set. I normally leave mine for 24 hours. So this is basically what it looks like, and I'm going to pour this straight into my container, and the more it stays, the more it gets thicker. So in case you're wondering if the soap is going to get watery or if the soap is going to remain watery, it gets thicker. And you can make this as thick as you want, you can make it as watery as you want as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.